using the earlier thing I am checking, it is not equal to, therefore, I am marking 1. So, now you can see very well all the items you have used up. So, now it is time to terminate your algorithm. So, you go to 0, you see everything is 0 now, therefore, you terminate. So, at the end you can see very well that only items that you need to add into the knapsack are 1 and 2. So, that means only 1 and 2 will go. So, the maximum profit you can get is 7. This validates the results of your first table. Okay. This is the advantage. So, using this logic, you can get the maximum profit as well as the items that needs to be added into the knapsack. This is another example. This example is given in Anani Levitin. This book also you can refer. The problem that is given in that particular book is 4 items, and these are the weights of those items, and these are the various profits. So, you can see very well again using the same algorithm, you can see very well, you can keep on finding the results. You can see one by one, same as the previous numerical example. What I am doing is I am substituting everything into this equation and I am finding that. So, now you can see very well the maximum profit is 37, and how to find the items. So, you can see very well item 4, I am adding the item 4, I am subtracting the weight from the knapsack weight. So, I am coming to 22, 22 is same as 22. So, therefore, second item is item 3 is not considered, I am going to 22 and the earlier one is 12. It is not matching, therefore, I am adding 2 into the knapsack. Then second item and first entry is not matching, therefore, I am adding 1 into the knapsack. Therefore, I can conclude that the profit of this problem is 37 and the items that needs to be added into the knapsack are 1, 2 as well as 4. Students, this is the best algorithm you have as far as the knapsack is concerned, and dynamic programming always guarantee you a better result. So, with this thing we stop our discussion. So, next session we will proceed from this particular point. Thank you very much. Sri Saudambika College of Engineering. If you have any questions, you can ask. Vailtech Engineering College, Chennai. JM Engineering College, Dharmaburi. Balaji Institute, Surya Engineering College, Priyadarshini Engineering College, Kamaraj Engineering College, Virudhunagar, thank you very much.